恭喜跟我们 Interior Time 装修的罗千伟。
罗千伟。
Hi, I'm Justin, the homeowners together with my parents. The interior designer that I engage is Interior Times. The theme of the home is actually dark color minimalist, and I get the inspiration through internet. The interior designer is very nice to update us on the progress for the renovation, and he's very kind to bring us down to the shop for the tile selection himself. I came to know about Renopedia through Facebook advertisement. I will share the prize money with my parents. The unique feature and highlight of the home will be the kitchen, as it is very white and clean, and the color tone is my favorite. Do try Renopedia, as they will match you with several interior designers. Then you can research on which interior designer best suits you. Thank you, Renopedia!
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.